Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're gonna be playing Escape the Laundrette obby. So let's see how it's gonna be, because I've never played it. Okay, so there's a lot of washing machine. This guy's cause you do not want to turn out like me. Find a way to escape. Okay, let's see. Okay, we're gonna go through the vent. This is like kind of easy. Oh my god, it's so fun. Oh, I thought I couldn't get up there. Okay, go back into an event. Okay, great. So let's just. What even are these? Like shirts or like what? Oh, I think they're socks. Oh, washing machine. Key. Almost made it. Yes. Down the laundry chute. Okay. Wee. Huh? Look about. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh god. How am I gonna find it? Where do I find it? There's no button. Bro. I can't see anything. You tell me where it is. I can't look. Bro. No. Wait, let me respawn. Okay. Now down the laundry thingy. Again. Okay. Don't see it though. Oh yeah, I found it. It's like right here. Do I like step on it? Oh, good. Okay guys, so I got the ladder. Wait. Okay. So let's see what's next. Okay. I'm gonna have to come here. Okay. So far so good. Okay. Yes! I made it. These shirts are bouncy. Oh no. Oh, no. Bro, are you serious? Anyways, let's just continue. Okay. I don't. Bro, this thing is so annoying. Last time? Yes. Look at the size of this tumble dryer. Yeah, of course it's big. I mean, oh. Look at these giant clothes. What is this place? Oh. Accidentally fell. Okay, let's see. Oh god. Okay. So far so good. Oh, someone's trying to sew the shirt. Key. Oh god, I hit it. Okay, let's do this again. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, almost. No, I didn't even touch it. Bro, what is this thing? This thing's broken. Definitely. Like that. Like that. I like that. There, finally. Oh, this one's a big one. Why is there money in here? Okay, so far, so good. Okay. Okay. Oh my god, there's a stash of money. A stack. Yes, we almost made it. So we can't not touch the buttons or else we'll die. And then we're gonna have to restart. Oh, my little pony. My little pony. Don't ask. Oh, I was so close. I actually touched it, but they didn't realize. Down this jumper sleeve. Whee! Okay, avoid grandma's awful knitting. True, it is awful. Sorry to say that, grandma, but it's really bad. Okay, 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 okay. No! Oh my god, that's why her knitting is awful. No, bro. Okay, let me try again. Yes, I made it. Yeah, they're very tiny. God. Oh no, I didn't even touch it. It's okay, it's okay. Let's just continue. Let's just... Oh. Okay, so now they wanted to make me not die, but then I died. Oh my god. This is making me crash out. Let me try one last time. One last time and only once. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. I hate this, bro. Oh my god. Okay. 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 Yes. Yes. Okay. 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 Yes! Finally. Oh. Poor you. Okay, let me see. Wait, an idea? Bro! Oh my god! I'd just rather get out of here myself. Okay. How the heck is that helping, bro? Okay. 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 Yes. Finally. Okay. Oh, very nice. Okay. Oh, that was close. No, no, no. Okay. No! Oh my god. This thing is so annoying. Yes! Finally. Oh, it's so thin right now. Okay. Okay. Yes. Oh man, there's more. Yay. The heck? Okay. I don't know what the heck I'm doing, honestly. Okay. Wait. Bro! Oh my god. This thing. Okay. Oh my god. God! Oh my god! This thing, no, I would not like to buy a stupid skip a stage. Crashing out right now. Bro, what? And I still did not. Oh my god. Oh my god. Finally, after like 20 years or something. Okay, okay. Now let's go. Wait, now I have to like go here. Oh god, I hate this. Look, oh my god. This thing's so annoying. This is, oh my god, you know what? Guys, I finally, after like 20 years, made it to the top. Oh my god, not again. I mean, this one is kind of easier. So like, I don't mind. Oh my god. This thing is making me so mad. Why do they do this, bro? So stupid. Oh my god. Oh my god. This thing even tries to kill me ever again. I'm gonna kill it. Whoever created this stupid game, they don't have a brain. Guys, I finally made it. Oh my god. Bouncy clowns again. Don't get me started with this, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god, I hate this game. I will never ever join it ever again in my life. Ever again. I can't even go to the sock. That's how terrible this game is. Oh my god. Oh, after like 20 years, finally. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is how stupid the game is. Okay. Okay, finally. Wait. Oh my god! Okay guys, I made it. Finally! Well done, you made it. And that's all they give me. That's all they give me. Oh my god, this is so annoying. That's like the worst thing ever. At least they could have added something even more. And I can't even go through here, that's the thing. Not even through the vent, that's all they give us. Oh, never mind. So that's it. That's it. Oh my god, after like crashing out for like this whole time, that's all they give me. I hate this game. I'm never joining this game ever again in my whole entire life. Cause like, what the heck? I can't even fly. I'm just gonna die. No. Okay guys, so that's basically the end of it. So what should I play next? Bye guys.